I'm standing on the deck of one of the vessels in our floating fleet, our core collection of boats that we maintain and restore to keep them looking and working like they would have in their heyday. Old Point was built in 1909 in Poquoson, Virginia for a very specific use. Most boats in the 19th and early 20th century in the Chesapeake were designed for specific things, and Old Point was a crab dredger. Crab dredging was a way to harvest crabs in the winter time. Between December to March, crab dredgers like Old Point would go out and they would harvest female crabs from the bottom of the bay, where they hunker down in the mud over the winter time before coming up in the spring to release their eggs into that really salty water near the mouth of the ocean. So watermen would go out, they'd have dredges, very similar to oyster dredges, but a little less robust and a little bit wider. And they'd pull these dredges along behind boats like Old Point, and they'd pull them up full of grasses and crabs and mud and all the other things that you might harvest from the bay in the wintertime. Of course, this was not a practice that, as you can imagine, was really long-term sustainable, especially as crab populations began to decline in the late 20th century. Today, boats like Old Point are very rare because crab dredging has been outlawed in Virginia. So we have her here as an example of a harvest that not a lot of people know about, and a very specific and rather beautiful boat type that was highly functional and used in Virginia in the early 20th century.